It's been a hard year, Lenawee County, one like no other. It's taken a toll on our EMS providers. They've been away from their families, isolated, just like you have. So we know exactly what you're going through.
Transporting to the hospitals has been a little bit rough. Bed availability is going down. We find ourselves with sick patients waiting in hallways. Hospitals only have so many rooms that are negative pressure, so sometimes they've got to clear a suspected patient out for someone that's actually positive. Just makes things a little bit slower, a little bit tougher. So while you're gathering at home with family and friends, just kind of keep in mind how long you've been there, where you've been. Try to keep them as safe as possible, because there's nothing worse than having somebody sick at home and knowing it could be your fault.
As the COVID numbers have risen, when we go to take patients to the hospital, there's been times where their entire board in the ER room is full and there's nowhere to put patients. So the hospital will go on bypass and we'll have to take patients farther away, which is a challenge for us because the hospital is already a decent distance away, and now we're having to take patients farther, which takes us out of our coverage area, and that leaves our citizens here in our jurisdiction without our help when we're gone. So as we're moving into the holiday season, I know everyone's going to want to be seeing their family, their friends. I think it's important for us to remember that as badly as we want to do those things, COVID is still a problem. And so limiting our small gatherings and wearing our masks when we're out and about, even with your family members, because although you may not be susceptible, it's getting everyone. So just wearing those masks, limiting small groups, washing your hands, being considerate.
So during this holiday season, I would ask you that you social distance. If you do not have to travel, limit it to at least one family. If that's what you're going to do, try not to do the multi-family gatherings. And if you have to travel and you're going to somebody else's house outside of your household, please use your mask, and also to remember to social distance at 6 feet if possible.
We've had providers get sick just like the regular public. Not that we're any different, we're not immune. One of my firefighters was diagnosed with COVID. He had to spend 14 days in the basement of his house, away from his family. He knows what it's like. He's been there. He's lived it. So in order to protect us, so we can help you through your difficult situation, please remember to wear your masks, practice social distancing, and maintain small gatherings. I want to thank you for being patient with us. Thank you for working with us. And thank you for making Lenawee stronger.